As a family, we migrated to Vancouver on March 2024. We have been living here for past 1.5 years. It's not about only going to the church that it's in your own language or in your mother tongue. It's about the presence of God and how you feel comfortable being the part of the church. As a Christian, when we come to church, we want to be the part of the church in any way, either in a physical way or financial way. And when we are new, we came to see about the sparkling campaign. It's done in, I think, in the November last year, around October, November. So we took the paper and we went and spoke to Pastor Sam about the CPR project and sparkling campaign. Then we told, even though it's a new immigrant to Canada and it has a financial struggle and things, God has blessed us with a job here for my wife, and He's blessing us in so many ways. We are just giving a part of it and to support His ministry to His church.
我哋返咗 VCBC 3年啦，咁我哋都係喺香港過嚟嘅新移民啦。重建你係必然要經歷嘅，咁但係就爭在你會唔會係其中一個參與嘅一個分子啦。咁所以然後再諗，若然第日教會重建咗而冇我份去到參與喺其中嘅時候，其實就會係一個遺憾咯。咁唔想俾呢個遺憾發生嘅話，所以就覺得應該要積極啲咁參與咯。
翻嚟 VCBC 嘅感覺其實我哋覺得啲團友啦，尤其是係團友啦，係好 take care 我哋啲新來家嘅人，即係嗰陣時我哋都叫做啱啱落地嘅新移民啊，其實都縱然我哋可能都預備晒我哋自己屋企嘅即係 settle down晒所有嘢，但係佢哋都會好熱心咁去提出幫助啊，問下我哋有咩需要幫手啊。當我哋聽到Pastor Sam 去講擴堂嘅時候，其實我哋都去留意到教會其實有好多嘅比較舊嘅地方啦，或者可能需要維修嘅地方，但係都聽到大家嘅分享就係其實有啲地方係太耐啦，根本去改建唔到，或者唔可以 improve 到，咁所以都見到個需要咯。咁變咗我哋喺度返教會嘅時候，我哋都見到呢個需要嘅時候，我哋都有諗過，我哋都喺有能力當中都可以去 support 呢一個 CPR 嘅 project 啦。我哋覺得呢個擴堂呢個意向，甚至乎我哋嚟緊呢個嘅決定，其實都係神一路落嚟係要我哋去做嘅嘢。咁所以我哋覺得呢個 project 如果真係成事嘅話，其實最重要係咩？最重要其實係帶更加多人信主咯。咁喺呢個鄰舍或者呢個 community 當中，可以發揮到我哋基督徒嘅身份咯。
Hi, I'm Jackie. I'm the young adults pastor, and even though I haven't been here for too long, I think it's something quite beautiful when a church bands together and commits to a project that is bigger than all the individuals here. And so for this next part, I will be talking to specifically just the young people. I know it's tough when you're young and you're balancing your finances and you got, not too much in your bank account, and I know that's fine. I've been there myself, but I just want you guys to know there's other ways to support the project, and there's other ways to stay committed. Michelle and I personally have been committed to the Sparkler campaign, and that's kind of how we are giving and how we are supporting the project. So I encourage you, especially if you're young, there's ways to support and there's ways to continue to be part of this family to see this project through. Thanks.
係各位好，我係 Philip Pan， 我自己咧個人都有參與呢個嘅教會重建嘅籌款嘅。咁我自己咧就我哋就有星星之火啦，亦都同一時間咧，我哋都有個 pledge 嘅，都有個募捐嘅。咁我哋知道咧，其實教會咧好被神祝福啦。咁呢幾年咧就帶咗好多嘅家庭過嚟啦。咁但係同一時間咧，我哋嘅教會咧亦都其實好多年㗎啦。咁我自己咧好細個陣時都喺呢度嘅嚟到去成長。咁我嘅小朋友都喺呢度慢慢長大嘅時候，咁教會的確係有呢個嘅實質嘅需要咧， 嚟到去重建嘅。咁再加上見到其實神咧就不斷喺呢個重建嘅路上面咧，不斷嘅嚟到開路。咁我都覺得咧係呢段時間咧係其實最適切啦。咁亦都同一時間咧，亦都見到咧，我哋都睇下需要有啲乜嘢咁多嘅小朋友。咁我哋有啲我哋承傳咗上一代留俾我哋嘅嘢嘅時候，我哋今時今日要留啲咩俾我哋嘅下一代去更加嘅嚟到去成為一個嘅工具。我知道一間建築物都係一個嘅工具嚟到去更加去拓展神嘅國咧。咁我都好鼓勵弟兄姊妹呢啲有已經參與咗星星之火啊，或者參與咗募捐嘅，咁都好多謝你哋喺當中嘅嚟到參與特別係啲可能未喺嗰方面有參與機會嘅，即係仲未參與嘅，咁我都大嘅嚟到鼓勵你哋喺嗰方面嚟到去參與，目的嘅係為到有一個新嘅building， 有一個新嘅建築物，有一個新嘅 tool 能夠更加嘅令到我哋嘅下一代喺呢裏邊喺主裏邊成長，亦都同一時間等到佢哋可以有呢個嘅工具嚟到拓展更加廣闊神嘅國度啦。多謝
大家好，我係 Eddie Wong， 我係 CPR Committee 嘅成員之一。我嚟咗溫浸聚會已經有40幾年啦。過往都經歷過幾次唔同嘅購堂或者建堂嘅計劃，但係基於某啲原因都係未能夠成事。我今日喺度為咗今次嘅建堂計劃向大家呼籲，我深信今次係神嘅心意，喺我參與當中係見到神一路嘅為我哋開路，無論市政府嘅支持，我哋團隊嘅合作，弟兄姊妹嘅擺上，都俾咗我好多鼓勵同埋確認。我相信呢個 CPR 嘅 project 係神要我哋溫浸去成全我哋嘅後代，亦都係讓唔同嘅事工有更多空間去發展，亦都係神叫溫浸喺呢個地方為佢做鹽做光，讓我哋嘅鄰舍係有更多機會去接觸到福音。我個人唔單止喺時間上面嘅參與，我同我太太亦都喺金錢奉獻上邊盡咗我哋嘅本分。希望大家繼續為我哋呢個建堂計劃去禱告，亦都要喺呢個奉獻上邊支持，盡你哋喺溫浸呢個家庭裏邊嘅責任。願神祝福大家，多謝各位。